Hello friends, so let's talk about Taurus ascendant and the transit of Sun in Sagittarius. So for Taurus people, Sagittarius is in 8th house, and you can see here Sun is transiting their 8th house. So 8th house is the house of research. 8th house is the house of certain things happening here. So there could be sudden shifting because Sun is the lord of 4th house. Something sudden transformation. Sun going in the house of transformation. Sun is with Mercury, so you would do some kind of research. Maybe it could be spiritual research or it could be astrology, because Sagittarius is higher learning. You can also learn things. You may also would like to do some research on some hidden things. So generally tarot card or astrology that comes under this, and there will be some revelation about father or about your bosses, or about some revelation will happen because it's Sun. And also there is Jupiter is in your already transiting in your 10th house. So the Lord is in the 10th house, so there will be some transformation at work, and the Lord is in the own house, so there would be something which is changing in terms of work. There will be some transformation. You may lost some job or something, but you don't have to worry because you will have something in return, because Saturn is in its own sign transiting here. And of course the Lagna Lord is in 9th house, so there might be some chances of long travel. And because it is with Saturn, it would be for work. And Venus Saturn may give some issues to legs, so be careful. Maybe mother is having some issue with the legs, so that would be that. And the thing is, Sun in Sagittarius is Sun is again a positive planet which wants to work on towards the spirituality. Sun is the Karaka of soul, and going in Sagittarius would be, there will be some kind of spiritual experience, or there will be some change in your lifestyle so that you can experience in this transit. Definitely change of place can be seen when Sun is transiting through 8th house. Be careful while driving, because again sudden things might happen, and this can be problematic. Also there might be some problem with the government, or you may gain something in terms of property, or some kind of property issue will be there, which you are not able to solve it. But Jupiter is also looking at the 4th house, so it may give you some relief there. 7 8 9. So Sun being the lord of 4th house, there would be some kind of dispute with the mother, or dispute of the property, or dispute or loss of money due to the property, because second house of savings is going in the 8th house, in the higher learning, in the property. So there will be some loss due to property, vehicles. And but since it is the second lord of money and savings and earnings, you may also gain some kind of money through 8th house activities, which is again astrology, research, mutual funds, share market and everything. So definitely if you could learn about share market, that would be very great for you. That would be helpful for you to activate this combination.